Hey y'all, iRickSky here, and this is how to fold and unfold the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So right now it's unfolded, and it's in a state where you would fly it. But to fold it back up, what you want to do first is do the front, rear, rear. So that's how to fold it again. And to unfold it, you will do front or top, bottom, bottom. Top, bottom to unfold. And then to fold, it's bottom, top. And now you've got a neatly folded drone that's easy to transport. Obviously, you want to use a proper case. Speaking of drone cases, expand this video's description and click the link there and you can find various options. It's incredible how small and how lightweight these drones have become. I mean, these used to be a burden to carry. And keep in mind when you're carrying them, when you're carrying your DJI Mini 3 Pro in an appropriate case, take good care of it. You don't want to get it wet. You don't want to expose it to anything that'll scratch it up. You could inadvertently bend or break a propeller while it was in transport wherever. So, take good care of it, man. Take good care of your stuff. So, yeah, with that being said, that's the DJI Mini 3 Pro. That's how to unfold and how to fold the DJI Mini 3 Pro. I hope this video helped. If it did, like this video, subscribe, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. And check out my DJI Mini 3 Pro video playlist to find a series of tutorial videos for the DJI Mini 3 Pro, field test, and a bunch of video responses. Speaking of that, ask any DJI Mini 3 Pro questions that you have. Just comment below, and I'll try to respond in the form of a video response. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain iRickSky here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/iRickSky. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.